Hello everyone. Today we will see stock chart in Excel. So let's start. This is our data set. Here we can see a particular company's name, for example ABC company, and its 10 days stock price information, that is opening price, high price, low price and closing price. First, let's see how we can create a stock chart based on this data. To create a stock chart, select this entire data from the title of the columns to the whole data, then go to insert, click on recommended charts, all charts, stock, and here you can see four types of stock chart. Let's select this one and OK. So this is our stock chart. Now we can do some modifications here. I'm selecting these white candles, I want to make them green, and these black candles I want to make them red. So select this white candle, click on any white candle in the body, and from home menu, from here I'm selecting this green. Now I'm selecting the black candles on the body. All the black candles are selected. I'm selecting red. So this is how we can change the colors of the bodies. Now from this icon I'm adding the data labels. So this is how we can create a stock chart. I'm selecting this chart again. From here we can add the axis titles, that is, here we can say the price information, and in this axis these are dates. We can Okay, so this is how we can create a stock chart in Excel. Now I'm explaining all these four prices, that is opening price, closing price, high price and low price. Opening price means the price at which a stock starts trading when the market opens. Closing price means the price at which a stock stops trading when the market closes. That is, in any particular day, the first trading price is called the opening price and the last trading price is called the closing price. Here in this body, because this body is green, the opening price is lower, that is 90. The closing price is here higher, that is 160. Here we can see this is our first date. The opening price is 90 and the closing price is 160. In this candle, that is third one, we can see the opening price is 160, closing price is 100. That is, opening price is higher than 100, and this is why it generated a red candle. When the opening price is higher than the closing price, then it will generate a red candle. When the opening price is lower than the closing price, it will generate a green candle. This is 90, this is opening price, and this is closing price. That's why it generated a green candle. And here this is opening price and this is closing price, because the closing price after all day trading, it went down and it went to 100. That's why it generated a red candle. Okay, opening price and closing price will be in the end of this body, this one and this one. Now this, what about these whiskers? High price means the highest price of a stock reaches during that trading day, and low price means the lowest price a stock reaches during the trading day. That is, in any particular day, if a stock reaches to to a certain point but closes lower, in that case the highest point will be high price and the lowest point will be low price. Here we can see in this first date the opening price is 90, the closing price is 160. Okay, but in this day the price reached to the peak at 210, but it was not able to stay there. The traders make it lower. So the upper this point will be the high price, and the lower whisker this point will be the low price. When the price reaches to this point, then the trader who were at this point, they uh, bought or they traded the uh, stock in their desire and make it above 50. Okay, so uh, so this is the explanation of this. In this candle, 90 is the opening, because this is a green candle, so opening price will be lower. This is the opening price, 160 is the closing price. This is the highest price in that day, and this is the lowest price. In this candle, because this is a red candle, the opening price, this is the opening price, this is the closing price, and in this day the price reached to the maximum of 200, that is, this is the high price, and 60 is the low price. So this is how we can create a stock chart in Excel, and we can explain this chart. That's all for today. Thank you very much.